Hello friends, it's Ren and Kimono, and today's deal is for Saturday only. So if you can try and make this happen, make it happen, because I know a lot of you really love the Dawn Original or these dish soaps. You know, every TikToker is showing how to use it to clean everything in your house and then some, so bit of value to it. So what you're going to need for this little dealio today only, which is Saturday the 22nd, is this coupon. So I received it in an email yesterday, and it's a 10 off of 30. Right below it, there's some big, long, goofy code that you have to type in at checkout. So if you have it, you can do the deal. If you don't, apologies in advance. Don't kill me in the comments. So if you look in this week's flyer, $4.99, and when you buy 3 of these, you're going to get back $5 in Walgreens cash. So what I wanted to do was to buy 6 of the Dawns to get $10 back, pairing it with the 10 off of 30 and some points. And yes, you can use points to earn points with this specific scenario. Just to show you what I got, I grabbed 4 of these, and they are the 40-ounce dish soap. So they are the big mamas for $4.99. So that's $19.96. Whatever is in stock the most at your store, that's what you should be buying. And because I want to be so fancy, I also grabbed 2 of these, which are the trigger sprays. And I really love this product too. It's just really, there's a bit of magic in these bottles. That is no joke. So I got 6 altogether, and I'm just shy of hitting that $30 mark. So I also had to throw in 2 of these Starburst candies. Because for whatever reason that 10 off of 30 would not work, because I had $1 coupon for the Dawn. I guess I must have loaded that a while back, but hey, it's some extra savings for me, so why not? So that was also added, and it just reduced down the basket so that $30 or the 10 off of 30 was just not working. So just to show you guys real quick, the basket here, 31.72, subtracting the 10 off of 30. This is a curbside pickup, so I have to drive myself to the store, and they're going to bring it out to me. There's my tax, my $1 of manufacturer coupon. So my new total is $21.95, and it says that I have an estimate back of $15.31. So I know I'm going to get back probably like 10 bucks. It's not going to be the 15 because I want to use some Walgreens cash to pay this down, because I'm not paying $21 out of pocket. When you get to the billing page, right before you can type in your credit card, debit card, this is where you can use your points. And yes, I was able to use 20 buckos right here. No problems, no issues. Now, when you are checking out, you have the option to say substitute with any brand, substitute with the same brand only, just to make sure that they will give you the 6. A smart thing to do again is to look and to see what they have in stock, and whatever they might have the most, like if it's the Dawn Original or whatever, it's just to make sure that your order will get fulfilled to a T. Now, this is a really good deal. As you can see, you're going to get $10 back, so it's like you're paying 10 for the 6 plus 2 Starbursts. It shakes it out to $1 and some change. Now, my problem that I ran into, and I just want to be transparent with you, they only had 1 of my trigger sprays. So as you can see, the subtotal dipped down. The promotion and coupons went down to $8.37, and I still got my manufacturer coupon, so it was just points altogether here. But I'm somewhat dealing with a bear trap here, guys, because like I'm 1 short, so I'm not going to get back my $5 of Walgreens cash. So, and then also my 10 off of 30, that code you can only use 1 time. So I called customer service. They credited me $5 of Walgreens cash. So now it's making my dish soaps $1.67 each, which is not bad. I'm going to get all 5 because they made it right for me. But if customer service wasn't going to work with me, I would have to return the 2, and it would just be a bit messy. So hopefully you can follow what I'm saying. At checkout, look for the soaps that are the most in your store. So if they have just the regular jugs and not the trigger sprays, go with that one, or go with something completely different. And just if you're not sure about what I'm talking, how to get in touch with customer service, all that stuff, I made a video a couple weeks back on how to shop at Walgreens. All of this very pertinent information is in this video. Check it out. As always, guys, thanks for watching, and I'll catch you in the next one. Bye.